As you can tell, it's very windy today. Starting on the kitchen side, which is the passenger side, starting to get that face frames made up. This is sort of what it's going to look like. And that's just the kitchen area: stove, sink, refrigerator, and the propane cabinet, which I know people don't like carrying propane in the cabin, but I have no other place to put it right now, and it will be turned off when not in use. Will never be run with it on. And I'll pad it inside a little bit too to help. But if I get hit hard enough for that to explode, then I don't think I'm going to have to worry about anything else. Alright, I'll come back when I get a few more pieces laid out. There you have it. This frame is put together and ready for the carcasses or boxes or whatever you want to call them. I'll flip it over and sand the front, make sure all the joints are smooth, and I'll show it to you just set up inside. Here's the next section. Just started the face frames, get them finished up. That propane will go in there. I've got some drawers here. This is where the refrigerator will slide out. So now I gotta start building the carcasses, the boxes. And this one shouldn't be quite as bad as this one over here because of all those curves. Got a little bit of a curve down there, but not much. So that's the next step. And we'll see how it goes. As you can see, I'm starting to get the kitchen in. I'm using all 3/4 side panels because when my refrigerator freezer pulls out, there's a lot of weight. Plus, I'll have the propane in this last compartment temporarily until I get a trailer, and it's going back there. Alright, let's walk around and take a look. I picked up some materials today. Did some shopping. Okay, let's see if we can get a picture of this. Oh yeah, there it is. This first hole will be the pull-out refrigerator freezer. And then I'll have a few drawers there, and then the propane back there. I'll have some countertop. In a previous video, remember I tore this corner apart? It's torn apart. So now that I know what this dimension was, I'm going to get this edge here flush to the countertop edge. There'll be one nice straight line through there. Which will, okay, I'm going to lose about 3 inches down here, but I was hoping to put a door on the back side there, but there wasn't enough room. So that's why I tore it apart. So I'll still have drop down doors here, maybe 2, well maybe 3 drop down doors, which will have spices and stuff in it. I'll have a cubby hole up there to put things in. I'll have to have some holes because my wiring and my water lines coming through here. So my wiring will come into here and go on up and over there and down into the electrical compartment. On the outside there, I'm going to have my 30 amp connection. Plug in. I know everything's backwards to most RVs. Most RVs have all their fill hoses, their fill tubes, and electrical inlets on the driver's side. But because of the way this bus is built and the tanks and everything else, where I could put them, it has to be on this side. So I'll just have to back into, someplace to get water, or have a longer electrical cord. That's all. Because I can throw it under the bus, and that's only 8 feet. Okay. That's it for today. I got 2 more to build. One full one like that, and one partial one that sits up there. And then once I get all that in, I've got a connector that goes across there. And connects right in there to stabilize the back, and I'll probably put another one down below that also, against the wall. And then they'll be attached in here with the bolts. So I can't pull out. Alright, that's it for right now. I'll be back in a bit. Getting the cabinet put in. And all the dividers are in. I'm not using household quality top #1 grade materials for this build. I'm not building house cabinets. I'm building functional cabinets. They're lightweight, they're inexpensive, but they're strong. And over here, I'm putting these in so I can bolt each one of these to the sidewall to make it even stronger. And it's very interesting. I have to take these, slide it from the end all the way over through each one of them until I get them lined up. Then I'll use an angle bracket to bolt them to this side rail. And then you just keep moving them across. And 2 more. I didn't know how many I was going to need, so I didn't put any back there. I should have probably put some back there before I built that and put this section in. But the way it goes sometimes. One more. This one being a bear for some reason. It'll go.